Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good, right? In the previous video, we have learned about English grammar. In English grammar, we have learned about noun and pronoun, right children? In this video, we will be learning about verb, okay? So, let's start in to understand what is verb. So, what is verb? A verb is a word that conveys an action. So, children, can you tell me what is a verb? Repeat with me. A verb is a word that conveys an action. Okay? Verb is also known as a doing word. Verb is also known as a doing word. Verbs are basically actions. Verbs are action. So have you understood this? Now we do a lot of activities in our day-to-day lives. Right children? We do many things in our day-to-day life. Such as we play, we read, write, run, we ride, we sleep, we eat and we bath. Apart from this also, we do many other activities. We play, we read, we write, we run, we ride, we sleep, we eat and we bath. We do many activities in our day-to-day life. And all these words that we use to describe our activities are actions, right? As we do many activities, those activities are known as actions, okay? And as we have learned earlier that action words are known as verbs, so these action words are known as verbs, okay children? What are verbs? Verbs are basically action word, right? And what are the action words? Play, run, ride, bath. Many activities that we do in our day-to-day life. And those activities are known as actions and those action words are known as verbs. Isn't it very simple to understand what is verb? So now let's understand verb with the help of some examples, okay? As we have understood what is verb, now we will check this with the help of example. Okay? Look here. John watches television. What John is doing? John watches television. This is John and he watches television. Now where is the action word here? Watches is the action word because he is watching the TV. Here watches is verb. The word watches is a verb as it tells us about an action that John does. Right children? John watches television. So the word watches is verb because it is an action. He is watching TV. So here watches is a verb. Okay children? Now look into another example. Children are playing in the sand. What the children are doing? The children are playing in the sand. Now what is the verb here? Here playing is a verb. Yes, here playing is the verb. The word playing is a verb as it tells us about an action that the children are doing. Here the children are playing, okay? And the playing is an action because they are doing something. So, playing is an action word and this action word is known as verb. So, here playing means verb. Isn't it very easy to find what is verb? Now look into another example. Tim is driving a car. Now driving is a verb because the word driving is a verb as it tells us about an action that Tim is doing. What Tim is doing? Tim is driving and driving means an action. So driving is a verb. Okay? Now we will look into another example. Raya brushes her teeth every day. What does Raya do? Raya brushes her teeth every day. Now come on children, tell me what is a verb here? Come on, tell me. Yes, here brushes are verb. Brushes is a verb because brushes is an action word. The word brushes is a verb as it tells us about an action that Raya does. She always brushes her teeth. So brushes is an action. So here brushes means verb. So children, I hope you have understood what is action word and what is verb. Look here. Action words are watches, playing, driving and brushes. These are all action words. So these are all verb. Okay? There are many more verbs which are all action words. I hope you have understood now the verb. Right, children? So, do watch and practice this video again. Do practice at your home what is noun, pronoun and what is verb. Okay, children? So, take care and we will be seeing into our next class. Bye-bye.